What's going on, everybody? It's the Creative Fro, checking back in for another episode of What I Wish I Knew Wednesday. And today, I wanted to talk about how you can record your own sound effects and why I wish I knew about this when I first started out. But before we dive into today's topic, let me remind you to hit the big red subscribe button if you have yet to already, and also turn that notification bell on just for fun. So when you're creating your own videos, it's very easy to get caught up with all the camera gear you have to remember, all the settings your camera has to be at, and the lighting too as well. Sometimes we do forget the sound, but this is very important. A great video with awesome storyline and superb visuals, but has bad sound equals a bad video, because when you hear bad audio, it automatically makes the viewer detach from the video because the sound is off. So let's talk about how you can create your own sound effects. Sometimes while creating videos, I ran into an issue where I needed a sound effect. Let's say it was footsteps walking down the stairs, and I wanted to add that sound effect because I didn't have it recorded in camera. So normally I would look in Final Cut Pro library to see if there's anything that's fitting, but sometimes they don't always match up. So that leads me to look on the internet. And a couple issues you might run into when looking for sounds online is you might not know the name of the sound effect that you need, and sometimes they have a heavy price tag with them. So to solve those issues, I ended up getting my own portable recorder. And if you've seen any tutorials in the past, you definitely know what this is. This is the Zoom IQ7. And what this does is you can attach it to the bottom of any mobile device, and now this device has become a portable recorder. And this is what I've been using to get extra sound effects that I need in video edits. For me personally, this setup works really well because there's an app you can download from the App Store that can control all of the settings inside this microphone. And there's a little output jack here so you can put headphones in to hear how the sound is coming through the recorder before you press the record button. Why don't you join us this upcoming Sunday for Fireside Tech, where I'll jump behind the camera and the microphone to show you how you can record your own sound effects. And you don't have to have the Zoom IQ7, you can get any portable recorder. So before Sunday, make sure to grab a recorder and then join us back here to see how you could put it into action. I really wish I knew about this portable recorder when I first started out, because this is not only a great way to create your own sounds, but on top of that, you could save these sound effects for future projects. That way you don't have to go searching or spend any extra money on sound effects. You can just invest into the recorder one time, and that way you can get multiple uses out of it. That's everything I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like if you did, comment down below if there's anything you wish you knew, and share this video if you think it could help somebody. I can't wait to see you next Wednesday for another episode of What I Wish I Knew. Until then, keep creating.